Hi guys, welcome to this new video. This is an updated video on how to install VS Studio Code on Jetson Nano, Jetson Xavier, Jetson Orion Nano, every Jetson devices out there. And let's dive into the video. First of all, this is a newly installed version of Jetpack. You guys can see here, this is a newly installed version of Jetpack. First of all, I like to go to the link in the description or just search flathub.org. we need to install using flathub. This is the best way to install any software on the Jetson device or nowadays in the new Linux setup. So just go to setup flathub, or there is a link in the description. Go to that and click on Ubuntu, and this is the command. You should copy the command here, that is sudo. Open the terminal using Ctrl+T. Okay, we have opened the terminal using Ctrl+T. Now paste the command over here, like sudo apt install flathub, and run the your password. Put your password. So putting your password, it will install automatically. If it's not getting installed, see the command under this. You need to add this to the repository and do the same. This will work. This is just a simple setup. This for every Ubuntu device, it works simply. Now just go to the flathub.org and search Visual Studio Code or VS Code, like VS or like code you search. When we search code, we will get Code OSS and Visual Studio Code. I recommend you to install Visual Studio Code. Go down, you guys can see flathub install Visual Studio Code, and we are running that command over here, like pasting it. Just run, it will search and they will find the version that is supported. Yeah, and just click yes. Now you guys can see it's installing. It may take some time because mostly flathub takes time to install in the Jetson device. You can find, when it's installed, I will show you some things. You can find all the apps, other apps like I will say Arduino, and all these apps are here. You guys can install every app from here. It will work so fine. Arduino IDE and Arduino new IDE is also here. It will work all fine, and this is one of the best way to install apps on the Jetson device. So it's installing, you can see. So in the last video, I think lots of people had I think they had problem installing, so I think this is a much better way to install it. So try this one. Okay, installation is completed, you can see. Now go to this and search VS Code. You guys can see, yeah, VS Code is here. VS Code, you guys can see. Now I have run it. Let's see. So it's running. So now you got a completely installed good version of Visual Studio Code. That's completely new. You guys can do everything as same as the Visual Studio Code, how it works. So we have a completely installed version of VS Code. That is the new version. So see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. This is a new channel. I am bringing back Robotics content because this much time I was busy some other things, so I'm bringing back all the content. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.